Welcome to Sonic Tech, the Self-Learners Club. In this video we'll learn how to change your default startup page on the Opera browser. First, open the Opera browser. Then, open Settings. From Basic, search for the Startup Page option. You can choose to let Opera open a new tab page, continue where you left off the Opera browser, or open a specific page or set of pages. Let's try to retain tabs from the previous session option, and you can enable or disable an option to display the start page first. Now, add a specific page. Write the site URL for the page or use the current URL.